Dear student, today's topic is Basis of Geometry, chapter test. So here, question number 1, what figure match each name? So what is the name of this figure? It is ray. So it is ray. What is the name of this figure? It is line. It is line. So right here, line. What is the name of this figure? This figure is angle. So right here, angle. You may be write in your copy also. Question number and proper question number, you write it in your copy. It is angle. Next it is line segment. It is line segment. It is line segment. Next question number 2. Name all the line segment that are a part of this line AB. So this is the line AB. Write down the name of all the line segment here. So all the line segments are AO is one of the line segment, AX, AB, OX, OB and XB. So write the name of the line segment. So here AO, one of the line segment, AX, then AB, then OX, then OB and one more XB. These are the line segment. Next question number 3. Using a ruler, draw and label each figure. So line PQ. So draw a line PQ here and label it. So question number A, 3A, draw a line PQ. So this is the line PQ. Next B, line segment RS. So this is the line segment RS by using ruler. And another question 3C, ray AB. So this is the ray AB. Next question number 4. How many line segment can you draw using the given points as endpoints? Name the line segment. So these are the points. First we join this point AC, BC, CD, AD and BD. Then write down all the line segment here. Write all the line segment here. So now after joining each and every point, this is the figure AB, BC, CD, CA, CD, AD and BD. So these are the line segment. So write all the line segment here. AB, BC is one another line segment. This is the line segment BC. Another is CA. So this is CA. Similarly BD, AD and CD are the line segment. Next question number 5. Measure and write each angle of the figure given. So two figures are given. They are angle X and angle Y. So what is the measurement of this angle? So before that, first we extend both the arms. Then we try to measure it with the help of protractor. So this is the protractor. Now put this protractor here. So this is the initial line. This is the initial line left side and this is the vertex of the angle. Now this is the initial line. So this side the 0 starts from this line. So now count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110, and this is the 115. So measurement of this angle is 115 degree. So angle X equal to 115 degree, right? But this angle, it is not possible to set the protector, so you try to do it. It is possible, but here if we try to set this protector in this book, it is not possible. So next question number 6. Draw an angle with each measure, classify the name of the angle. So draw an angle 90 degree and name of this angle is right angle. Draw an angle 40 degree and it is acute angle, and 150 degree it is obtuse angle. Now question number 7. What type of angles are shown below? Acute, obtuse or right angle? Measure each angle. Give 2 names each or for each of these angles. Complete the table given this information. So first I measured this all the angles and write down on the table, which is in the next page. So question number A. What is the measurement of the angle? So first I extend these arms. You maybe extend both the arms or any one. So now set the protector, put the protector on this angle in this way. So this is the vertex of the angle and this is one of the arms. So this is initial arms, initial line. Now this side, in the side of initial line, the 0 start from outer line. So 0, 10, sorry, if I set this protector in this way, so now this is the initial line and this side 0 start from inner line. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is the another arms of the angle. This is the initial line and these are the 2 arms. This is another arms. So this is the 90 degree angle. So it is 90 degree angle. At the same time, write the fill the table. Question number A. Types of angle. It is right angle. Measurement of angle 90 degree. And name of the angle. Here name of the angle is either angle AOB or angle BOA. So here write angle AOB or angle BOA. Next question number B. This angle. So extend this arm and now set the protector in this way. So this is the initial line. This is the initial line, and now in this side, in the right side, initial line is in the right side of the protector, and in the right side 0 start from inner line. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. So measurement of this angle is 45 degree. So it is 45 degree, and in the figure it is right acute angle. In the table it is right acute angle. And it is 45 degree. And name of the angle is, vertex is always middle. So PQR or angle RQP. So here you write angle PQR or angle RQP. Right. One more. Next figure. So set this protector in this way. Extend this arm. Extend this arm. Now set this protector. Put this protector on the angle. Here, this is the initial line, and this side. In this side, 0 start from outer line. So when you count out through the outer line, this line is here it is 135 degree. So value of this measurement of this angle is 135 degree. So it is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, measurement of the angle is 135 degree, and name of the angle is RST, angle RST or angle TSR. Thank you, student. And these three D, E, F, you do it yourself.